Guys, there's a crack in the windshield from here up to there. I don't know if you can see it clearly there. Inside look like this. I'm gonna be using this repair kit. It looks like this. It comes with the instruction, and there's a strip to put, and also a blade, and then there's a suction. You will put it in the center of the crack, and then there's a pressure to drop the liquid there. So we find the main source of the crack there. We will put this one on top of it, so the chemical will be on the center. So we put the suction in the center of the crack. It is a two-part. Remove this one to put the chemical here. Open the repair kit with the blade. Drop 5 drops in this. Next, you put this here to put pressure down to the crack. I put more pressure because it's an even surface, and wait a while. While waiting to dry, let's do this long crack. Start from the end, going to the center. You should do it slowly. Now we remove this one slowly and put out the suction slowly. Continue till the end, till you reach the crack.